Hi, I'm Angela Mikulovich, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Tori Belle It Works Brow Liner and Gel Kit. This is super cool. Okay, Tori Belle came out with a brow gel that is smudge proof and waterproof, and not only is it cutely packaged in this adorable box, but it comes with your brow gel. Looks just like this. It also comes with a beautiful brush with a super pointed tip, great for sculpting, plus this spoolie, which is awesome because it's just the right size of your brow. And it also comes with three stencils, 3 brow stencils, and and it has a mirror, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna show you really quickly how to use the products that come in the It Works package. So what you're gonna do is take, some people like me, I'm not a makeup artist, I'm just a stay-at-home mom, I'm a homeschool mom, but I love makeup, okay? So some people are unfamiliar with how to shape your brow, which is totally okay. So that's why they created these awesome stencils. So what you are gonna do is look in the mirror and you're going to place the stencil, this fat part kind of right at, I picked the angel stencil because my brow's a little bit thicker right here. So you're gonna place it just like this, and you're gonna stencil, you're gonna dip your brush in the brow gel, and you're gonna stencil right here up to where this part kind of begins to curve. And then you're gonna turn and match the back part up here where the arch happens and it drops down. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. We have 4 colors. We have taupe, brown, dark brown, and black right now, which is really cool because there's something for everybody. Oops. So you're gonna just take it and fill in and go over the brow that is already there. Some people don't have any brow. I'm lucky to have, like, my brows survived the 90s. Super funny, huh? Some people shaved theirs or trimmed them off. I remember that I went to school with. Okay, so there's the beginning of that part. And it just, this brown I've noticed has a little bit of a ginger tint to it. Can you see that? Okay, and then I'm gonna just take a little bit more and I'm gonna turn my stencil because of the arch. And then I'm going to finish the rest of my brow. Not bad for just using my phone. Turn it just like that. All right, that is the end product, and that is how you use the eyebrow gel. And you can kind of just draw a little bit more of a line, and I can see there's a little spot that I missed right about there. And that's how you use the brow gel. So you can follow me on Instagram, you can comment below if you have any questions, and then you can also find my Facebook page in the comments below. Thanks guys for watching.